How to show entire label on Trello. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can show the entire label on Trello. So let's dive in. First, you have to open your Trello app, and once you're on your Trello app, you simply have to open a workspace. Now you can see I'm in the workspace over here. Now to show the entire label, you simply have to open any video. For example, let's go with this video over here. Simply click this video under the topics section, and once you do so, you'll be able to see many options over here. And now you can see I have marked this label over here. So I'm going to go with another video topic so I can show you the labels. So I'm going to scroll down, and here you can see these are some videos that don't have any label right now. So I'm just going to open it by clicking this video, and then you can see I have this labels option over here. Simply click this labels option, and here you can see all the labels over here. And that's how you show entire label list on Trello.